ruin my plans for dry land, you gill-neck Vito freak! Come on, give me another weapon.
Hey, boss! How about this?
Give me that thing! All right, Mutant, let's go, you and me, baby. Big showdown here, Mono e Muto. Let's find out who's the real Chicken of the Sea! Go! Playing around with your pants and get up top and signal the skyhook. I'll blast this place to kingdom come. I'll take care of the mutant. Oh, come on. Yeah, whatever. Coming on, Yeti! All right, Mutie. I think we've had enough fun and games. Say hello to my little friend here. Mine now, pal. Oh, come on. Oh, no. No, not my seaplane. Adios, cousins.
So the Deacon's threat has ended, and civilization may start anew on dry land, while the mariner roams the 4 points of the compass on the endless seas.
Busters, directing films like Apollo 13, Backdraft, that very recent, very popular live-action
Company West and opened Universal Pictures. He built the world's largest studio on a 415-acre chicken ranch and proclaimed it Universal City at a gold...
Our own version of Mission Control, Ron Howard's hit film, Apollo 13.
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem. Everything about that set on Stage 27 had to be just like the real Mission Control of NASA's in Houston, Texas, even down to the tiniest of details.
Lost World, Jurassic Park.
Subtlety right back out the window. That flash flood is several thousand gallons of the size of water. on the right, you can see the Bates Motel, Norman's home on the hill, and the stairs leading up to it. That house at the top of the steps is the original set from Alfred Hitchcock's masterpiece, Psycho. Well, as it gets you closer to the home, I think your perspective on it will change some. It should. The house is really very... Films that take place inside of Norman's house were filmed inside of sound stages. This is what we call a shell. It's got 4 walls and a roof, but there's nothing inside.
Universal Studios Hollywood! Thank you. Well, my name is Brett Taylor. I'm the stunt coordinator of this show.